Hello, my name is Sam from GameCache. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your own DarkRP Gmod server. Firstly, you'll need to download SteamCMD. The link is in the description below. Next, you want to create a new folder, somewhere accessible like your desktop for example. Name it SteamCMD, then extract the installer into that folder. After that, run the installer. A command prompt will open up and the installer will begin to generate files in that new folder that you made earlier. Wait until all the files have been generated before moving on to the next step. Next, you'll need to create a new folder completely separate to the one that you made earlier and name it server. This will become important in just a moment. Now in the Steam command console, you'll want to input the following commands. These will be listed on the screen and in the description below for you to copy. With the force install dir command, you'll need to make sure that you've copied the file path of the server folder that you just made a few moments ago. Also, with the app update command, you'll need to make sure that you've correctly copied the game's dedicated server ID, which can be found just through a quick Google search. In this instance, we are using garrysmod's ID, which is 4020. After you've inputted these commands, the files will now take a little while to download. You may want to pause the video before you move on to the next steps. You will now want to create a new text document within the server folder. This will be your application in order to start your server. Copy and paste the details of the Start.bat from the description below. After you've done that, save the file as Start.bat and change the save as file type to all files. If you want to get workshop add-ons onto your server, you'll need to find the workshop collection link you are using and copy and paste the ID part of the URL. It will be all numbers. Go into your Start.bat into your server folder and paste the ID next to the host workshop collection section. Remember to save your file after you've done this. Now you will want to download the game mode of your choice. In this instance, we are going to use DarkRP as an example. The files for this game mode and many others can be found on GitHub. You'll now need to wait until SteamCMD has completed downloading the garrysmod game files. When it has, you'll need to navigate to the server folder, garrysmod, and then game modes. You'll want to extract your game mode files into this folder. Next, make your way back to the Start.bat located in the server folder. You'll need to change the game mode section to what you just installed into this folder. For example, if you've installed DarkRP, type in DarkRP in the inverted commas next to game mode. Hopefully this video has helped you guys today. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials on how to configure your DarkRP files and create a successful server.